This is the Nature Made Extra Strength Dosage Chewable Vitamin C 1000 milligram supplement. It comes with many great features, including there are 90 tablets in each package. Also, once I take out the cotton ball, you'll see that the tablets are a decent size. They're relatively normal sized tablets. Usually I take about 2 of these every single morning. They're very soft and it's easy to chew. Something that's very important to note about these tablets are that the container mentions that it contains milk. So that's something to keep in mind for people, that these tablets do contain milk. That said, the Nature Made Vitamin C is a great choice for any customer.